how to make a cyberpunk-esque mask in under 2 hours, and how you can do it too. You want to start yourself off with a template. You can draw any type of mask style you want. It just comes down to your imagination and your creativity. So I drew my own based on a previous mask build that I made, but ultimately broke. But if you want, in the description, I added a printable copy of this template that I used that you can enjoy absolutely free. Next, you want to select the material that you're going to make the mask out of. So this is the material. This is the material I used. This is PVC foam, PVC board. I got this on Amazon. It's a 6mm thick. I chose that material because it's easy and malleable under heat, and it looks nice when it's completed. All the materials, the tools that I use for this project can be found in the description below. Just so you know, those links are affiliated, so if you choose to use those links, just so you know, it helps out the channel. Because PVC is a plastic, continually cutting into it takes a physical toll on your hands. You can score it multiple times with a razor blade or with an X-Acto knife, but I found that it really, hours of doing that takes a huge toll on my hands, and it starts to like feel sore and stuff. So I opted in to use power tools. Use the tools you're trained how to use to avoid personal injury. I am not responsible. Next, you gotta prepare to put it all together. So we gotta sand down the edges and get the pieces you want in the right places to bond together and shape it all correctly to fit. Next, you gotta put it all together, and I use the greatest adhesive known to man, and that is super glue. It literally bonds your skin instantly, so use with care and follow the instructions on the bottle. Now this last step is completely optional. I chose not to do it, but you can sand it down, prime it, paint it. But I decided to add some of my personal decals onto it. You can get yourself your own decals down in the description below. Last is the finishing touches. You gotta make the holes for the string that goes around your ears, and you gotta tie it together. And congrats, you are done. You got yourself your own mask. You can use it for cosplays, photos. You can use it to keep a low profile. This looks really good with techwear. It really muffles my voice under here, so I have to speak into the mic kind of like this. Otherwise, it sounds a little bit muffled. But whatever you want to put this together with, it's up to your imagination.